Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday the 21st. So I'll just have a short video for you today regarding review activities. So I shared this with you yesterday. You'll see this first one is just a overview, very, very brief of period 3. Some good soul put this online, so I didn't create this, but this is basically based off of the AMSCO book. So just a good overall thing, just to read, to take a look at. I thought it was worth your time, just a few minutes. The second one is the big one, the period 3 review. Now, as I was thinking about this yesterday after we spoke, I didn't say, and I'm going to say it now, if you know something, obviously you don't have to go through the video and everything like this. So all of these things have video clips attached to them that's designed to make it simple. So it's the guy, his name is Adam Norris. Again, I'm trusting some of my colleagues on this one a little bit. Again, this isn't a perfect situation of what I would, if we were meeting every day, I'd be having to do different things, but it's just not feasible at this point. So this is probably the best that we can do. Do you want to watch all these videos? It's up to you. If you think you need it, if you think you need the 4 major events that occurred in 1763, watch it. They're all really short, so I got to give him that. He pares this down very, very simply. But the real critical thing about this is he's touching on the things that you really have to know, and that's why I'm doing it. So it's your call if you want to rewrite this in a different manner. That's fine. If you want to handwrite it, I would really strongly suggest you handwrite it. You've heard me say that for years now. The studies show that you remember more. And remember what the purpose of this is for. This is for, we're trying to get as much stuff in your head as possible and limit the barest minimum of relying on your notes. You are not going to have time to be paging through pages and pages of notes to create your essay. You got to know it. It's just like you have to know it if we were in fact taking the test. What these are here for is real specific points of evidence, or maybe to achieve your contextualization. This stuff, key vocabulary terms or context. That's what we're kind of looking for. So remember the purpose of this. There's also some document analysis here that's related to the content that I think is certainly worthwhile. And remember, the one section that we were really lacking on through the course of the year, and which I had intended to cover during this time period anyway, was an emphasis on CAP and sourcing the document. So this is some practice here. These are documents. These have been on AP tests in the past in various forms, whether it's multiple choice or short answer. This one especially, the federal edifice as it's called. So it's asking you to do some practice there. So that's a long-term project, and I would really like you to get a start on this today, if you would. I'm going to send out another one, period 4, tomorrow. So, but this is a good enough start. The last thing, we're going to meet again tomorrow, obviously, and I'll remind you of this tomorrow. But on Friday, what I would like to do is sort of a timed practice on the DBQ. I do have a whole bunch of 5-document DBQs that I think are appropriate. And I thought the way to start would be to set yourself a timer of about 20 to 25 minutes of just sourcing the documents. So I'll have a question for you related to period 3. And that's you're going to do a thesis and then source all 5 documents and basically time yourself. And I would like to set a due date, a due time of this of 6 o'clock on Friday. So I'm just giving you fair notice that you're going to have to block off 35-40 minutes for a push on Friday. You're going to see the documents. I'll briefly talk through them, send you on your way kind of on Friday, tell you exactly what I want. And what I would love to have happen is that you turn around and do it right then and there and get it done before 11:30. But I will set it for 6 o'clock because I know some people are working and stuff. So just put that on your calendar for Friday. So it's going to be timed document breakdown or timed sourcing of documents related to period 3. So if you want to plan your the rest of your week here, really good opportunity to get this stuff done, get period 3 all wrapped up. We're going to check our stuff on Friday, so to speak. Next week will probably be the same, sort of the same thing. We'll do some 40-20 questions on Mondays and Wednesdays, and then Friday will be sort of a practice day. So that's where I'm envisioning it. We only have a couple more weeks to do this. So that's all I have for today. So again, get started on this period 3 review. This is already shared with you, so I'm just putting the video up today. So other than that, if you have questions, let me know, and I will see you tomorrow at 10:45.